Hey everybody, and today I'm officially gonna start a bunch of tutorials where we'll be exploring the library source code mostly from React and Redux ecosystem. I'm sure not only React and Redux ecosystem, but we will begin with this one. What is the goal of these tutorials? I'd like to give all of you a solid understanding of how libraries are working, that we're using to have a deeper understanding of them and make less mistakes and errors in our projects. First thing we're gonna learn this bunch of tutorials is a Redux-Thunk library. It's simple and minimalistic Redux middleware that help us to make asynchronous action creators in Redux. You probably will be wondering about the size of the library. And alright, without further ado, we're gonna go to the library's code. Before we start, let's define what a thunk is. It's super simple. The thunk is a function that returns from another function. All the other function merely delay the thunk function call. That's all you need to know, and let's get into the code. I felt like a drum roll is in the order. Yeah, probably you want to say as I live and breathe, but it's our slide function. Let's smoothly read the code. In the first line, we can see declaration of a create-thunk middleware, and it takes extra arguments as the first argument. It serves if you want to pass something, for example, API configuration or the kind of things. In the second line, you can see our function returns another function. It's called thunk. And then the function takes store, but by here it was the structure with ESX destruction syntax to dispatch in get state. Then this function returns the next argument. The next argument is simply the next middleware. Then this function returns an action that we've got dispatched. On the third to fifth lines, we just checked if our action is a function, and then we invoke the action pass dispatch, getState, and extra arguments to it. Otherwise, if it's not a function, we merely call the next middleware. On the 11 lines, you can see we just initialized our thunk, but this we just invoked it, and then we given a property with extra arguments to this initialize thunk. It made for two use cases, when we want to have an extra arguments and when we don't. That's pretty much it. I'm sure you're using the middleware frequently, or probably you're using another one like Redux Saga, but Redux Saga is another story. It's more complicated, there are generators used, and is leveraged to create the difficult, operations. And yep guys, happy new year and see you in the next one.